A very good day to all my listeners all across the world. Welcome back to my podcast, George Nathaniel, and this is George Nathaniel for each one of you. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast across all platforms, and of course, coming to my blog website, which is georgenathaniel.net. I look forward to your continuous support in coming in and listening to my podcast across all platforms, and do continue to come to my websites and put in requests to talk about subjects that you would like me to talk about. Well, as you know, my podcast is all about wellness and it's all about sharing good experiences to help each other grow faster in life. Today, I have a beautiful topic. The topic for today, it's called carry well. Now, when I say carry well, what am I exactly saying? Well, carry well is a big word that burdens us from every aspect of life, be it professionally, be it personally, or look at it through any contribution in our life. So carry well is something that we need to fulfill. Carry well is something that we need to do across all spheres in our life. And when I refer to this topic, carry well, there's this beautiful two-liner that comes to my mind. The two-liner is travel light, travel fast. Well, travel light, travel fast is something we keep hearing it. And when I relate this to carry well, this is the best and most perfect example in every aspect of our life. So travel light, travel fast is the best way to say carry well. And most importantly, when we talk about carry well, I would say drop the excuses and find the solutions. Don't be burdened by doubts. Don't be burdened by expectations. Or don't be burdened by any hurdles that form any hindrances in any form of your life, be it personally, professionally, or any contribution in life. Now, when I was listening to this topic, or when I was researching on this topic, carry well, I was looking at it and I thought, wow, carry well is such a delightful topic that we could talk about. Carry well is about looking diligent over every place, every time, every moment of our life. Carry well is about being lighter, brighter and mightier. And as you all know, it's in the monsoon season. And of course, one of my favorite pastimes is reading. And I was reading on monsoons, those short stories that you get. And I came across two very different two-liners from the short stories. So one was regarding the umbrella. And the essence of that, of what I learned, the two-liner that I can say I can carry forward is, when we talk about the rains and the umbrella, people often say that, it is said often, that once the rains are over, the umbrella becomes a burden. Well, how does this refer to us in terms of carry well? Well, carry well is about being our best professionally, personally, or over any contribution in life. So carry well is about building ourselves individually, building all aspects of ourselves, be it personally, professionally. It can mean growing every day. It's about raising our benchmark over time. So this was a very good two-liner that came to my mind and related that yes, it gave me a nod that yes, we need to work on ourselves. We need to keep bettering ourselves. Now there was another two-liner that I read, and like I say, it is similarly said that butterflies don't fly in the rain to increase their lifespan. Well, how does this relate to carry well? Well, there are a lot of challenges in life. There are a lot of hindrances in life. And of course, we have our goals in life that doesn't come true easily. Now, when we look at these two different aspects of things, one is seeing of the challenge. When I spoke about the umbrella, it's about seeing of the challenge in building our strengths, building our values, honing our skills. It's about bettering ourselves and being the best version of ourselves on a day-to-day basis. Now, the second one, when I say the butterfly doesn't fly in the rain to increase his lifespan, what are we talking about? It's about being cautious over our preparation, being very cautious. So as we prepare in life, we have to make sure that we are well prepared before we attempt something. We cannot be semi-prepared or half prepared or think we are prepared. So preparation takes a lot of efforts. The preparation takes time. So when we say carry well, it's about carrying our individual self well. So carry well is very important in understanding the priority of need of the hour, need of the moment, and unfolding the best version of ourselves. So carry well is about making sure that we do the best or do our best, and of course not exposing the weaker side of us, but coming up with the stronger side of us. So when I talk about carry well, what are the best things that comes to my mind? Well, when I would say carry well, I would say lean in, believe in yourself, be calm, keep a steady process, keep a steady progress, ensure that you're reliable in what you're doing, and most importantly, understand hard times or challenges keep coming up time and again. It's how we raise our own benchmark. It's how we better ourselves that helps us to get over all these challenges. And the best thing that come to my mind is practice balance. Well, what is practice balance? Practice balance is to constantly align with our flexibilities in pushing our boundaries over learning, raising our own skill, raising our own benchmark, and coming up with a better version of ourselves over every new day. We need to embrace the different ways that we think or we put our action into work. We need to enable purpose to inspire us over our efforts. We need to make sure that whatever we are doing, there should be a purpose in it and there should be a result. It should be result driven. Most importantly, what we hear today is a DIY. Do it yourself. So the best thing that you can do is be independent. Believe in yourself. Take risk. Understand that yes, you will grow. You will accomplish everything. So carry well is a very, very important and good topic that comes to us all across our life. So in all my podcasts, I have key takeaways. I talk about experience shares. So in carry well, what could be the most important key takeaways that we can refer to or we can look at or we can relate to? Well, I would say when I was going through this research, I found that there are 4 very basic and simple key takeaways that we can relate to. One is being methodical. That is very important for us to develop a routine over our day-to-day processes, understanding what are our strengths, what are our weaknesses, how we need to raise our benchmarks. Next is being visionary. Being visionary is understanding our goals. Being visionary is working towards our goals. Being visionary is understanding, okay, goals are short-term goals or long-term goals, and it takes time, it takes efforts. We need to be realistic. So being realistic is validating our results over our goals on a timely manner. Being realistic is about being truthful to ourselves and understanding our strengths, our weaknesses, our result areas, and where we stand at any moment of time. We need to be bold, which is very, very important. Being bold is about taking up new challenges. Being bold is about coming out of your comfort zone. Being bold is about understanding, yes, you have developed the skills. You have raised your own benchmark. Now you can take bigger goals in life. And when we relate to carry well and when we relate to our goals in life, it's very, very important for us to believe. I keep saying that in all my podcasts, believe. And in all my podcasts, I come up with 2-liners. So in today's 2-liner, let me tell you, people always say that the grass is green on the other side. Well, I read this beautiful 2-liner. It says, the grass is green where you water or where you bloom it well. So what does it relate to? How does it relate to in carry well? So when you look at yourself as an individual, it's how you grow yourself as an individual, how you grow your own identity, how you grow your skills, how you build your own happiness. So your happiness depends on yourself. So carry well is about carrying on with growth, ensuring that your growth assures you success. in whatever that you are doing in life. So let us look at carry well and understand that yes, we can meet all our goals, we can meet all our expectations, we can raise all our benchmarks by carrying ourselves well, be it personally, professionally, over every aspect of our well-being in life. So carry well. Carry well, it is the way we work towards our expectations. It's a way that we build our results. It's a way that we prepare ourselves during the wait. And it's most importantly understanding what we will get in our efforts. What is the outcome of what we are doing? So carry well is a very, very important thing for each one of us. It's not about just the attitude, but it's also the skill set. It's a mindset. It's the overall outlook of a personality. It's a persona. It's a person in himself. It's the best version of yourself. So carry well, build the best version of yourself. Build over bigger contributions in life. Make bigger marks. Make sure that you accomplish more and more over every new day. So listeners, as you know, I keep my topic very simple, very precise, and all my key takeaways are just highlights, the things that you can work on for yourself, you can add on to, and something that can help you grow your own goals, grow your accomplishments sooner or faster in life. I hope you like listening to my podcast and today's subject, carry well. I wish each one of you all wellness, all happiness. Keep sharing all the good things all around. And as I'm saying it once again, my podcast is available across all platforms and my blog site georgenathaniel.net is also available. Come in, listen to my podcast, read my blogs and keep sharing all the good things. So I wish each one of you all the success in life, all the happiness and all the wellness. Thank you so much. This is George Nathaniel.